This tutorial will help you know how to navigate through Florida Virtual Learning. Here is your child's home page. When you scroll down to the day at hand and choose that button, you'll find a button for ELA, English Language Arts, Florida Virtual Learning. Click the button and the module will open up. Now, there are some arrows up at the top and it will tell you how many pages are in each of these modules. So this first one says 0.01 Things to Know. You can select the arrow to allow you to go through each page. Now, after you've completed the number of pages that you see at the top, so here we have 2 out of 2, when you scroll down, you'll find that there is a Next button. You'll want to select Next, and it will take you to 0.02, Navigation. There are 3 pages. If you hit Next, you'll go to page 2, and then page 3. Now, we want to go back down to the bottom and hit Next. You'll go through each of these modules, page by page, and selecting Next. You can work through these modules or these lessons at your own pace. Once you get down to the bottom and you hit Next, you'll notice, and I'm going to scroll down a few times to show you, each time I hit Next, right before I select it, there is a little pop-up that tells me what is next. You'll notice here it says 0.05 Online Learning ABCs. And in this particular lesson, there are 3 pages. And I'll hit Next again. We've got 0.06 Pace. This one only has 1 page. Next takes us to Academic Integrity. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is because once you're in Florida Virtual Learning, though we only want you to do a couple of modules, if you continue to select the green Next Page arrow, you might go farther into other modules that we just don't want you to get into yet. Those will be for further down the road. So, once again, we'll select Next, and now we are in Jumpstart to Kindergarten. There's 1 page for this module introduction. Go to school. There are 10 pages in Welcome to the Safari. So you'll select each of these pages using the green arrow. Once again, when you get to page 10, actually let me go up and show you that you can jump ahead. Seeing this little down arrow, if you select this, you can jump ahead to the next page. So I'm going to select page 10. And I'll scroll down. And here I am again finding the Next button, asking questions. And I'm going to continue doing this. And you can just skip this right here. Just skip this and hit Next. Because we won't have an assignment at this point in these modules. 12 pages in this selection. All the way down, Next. We have school tools, 12 pages here. And some of these are super quick pages, but they are really interactive. So take your time, go through them at your own pace. Here, this one has 10 pages. And it says Next, putting it all together. Remember, don't forget to hit Next. This one has 9 pages. When I get to the end of this particular lesson, if I go down to select Next, you'll notice that there isn't a Next button. You've now completed both of the modules that we want you to do at this time. Now, I'm going to show you that if you select Next, again, if you keep going, the next module will pop up. You'll see that all of the modules are here, but just do the ones that your teacher has asked you to do, okay? Hopefully this helps, and be sure to ask if you have any questions at all.